Hey, future millionaires, my name is Isabella and I became a millionaire within 2 years thanks to the power of online business and social media. Today, I'm gonna be talking about how you can literally be so lazy and start dropshipping nowadays. When I first started dropshipping years ago, these methods of being able to be lazy and start dropshipping were not available. It took hours to actually start a business. It took a long time to plan things out. Nowadays, guys, with the power of AI, you can be successful so much faster. So let me show you exactly how you can do that today. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to work smarter and be lazy all at the same time while building your own dropshipping business. Building the right kind of online businesses and structuring them right, which I'm gonna show you today, can literally pay you for the rest of your life so you can truly live a lazy and peaceful lifestyle. And so many of you guys are starting these online businesses after watching my YouTube videos and trying things yourself, and you guys have been seeing insane results. So if they can do it, guys, why can't you? You guys already know people usually charge thousands of dollars for the education that I give you guys 100% free. All I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos for you guys just like this. So let's go build this dropshipping business the lazy way. And guys, you can do this from anywhere on the world. You can do this from your phone or laptop. No excuses. You find a way to make it happen. But this tutorial can work for you, again, anywhere you are in the world, little to no money. And you can do this from phone or laptop, but I'm gonna show you guys from the laptop today. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to use this free AI store builder, and I put the link for this down in my description box, and I also put it in the top comment. Once you click that link, it will bring you to this page. Then just hit build my free store. Then you're gonna just enter in your name, your email, and click next. Now you're gonna choose your niche, and you're gonna see all these options here. They have fashion, pets, electronics, home, sports. This can build all types of stores, but if you don't know yet, that's fine too. You can just hit I'm not sure. And don't worry, you can always change this later, so no pressure. Then just hit done. Next, you're gonna select banners for your store. So just pick your favorite one. And again, don't worry, you can change this up later. Then just hit done again. Now this is where we're gonna create the Shopify account. It's a simple 4-step process that connects everything together. So once you click Access Shopify, you're gonna land on this page. Enter your email to unlock this free trial, and you get 3 days completely free, and then you get $1 a month for the first 3 months, which is plenty of time to actually stay focused and grow your store. Now it's time to choose your plan. So if you're a beginner, just go with the basic plan. It has everything you need. Don't overcomplicate it. And then you're gonna install the Build Your Store app inside Shopify. So just click install, confirm, and once it finishes, it'll bring you back with a check mark showing that everything is connected. And you now have a complete Shopify store built in minutes, which is so crazy because look how good this is, guys. Like, I literally would have took me probably weeks to build something like this a couple years ago. So it's actually so crazy. So you can see that this tool gets you 90% literally done. But obviously you're gonna wanna customize the store a little bit more by just changing the store name, the logo, maybe some of the policy pages here as well. And we can do that just by going back over to our Shopify dashboard. So go back to the Shopify dashboard, click online store, click customize. And as an example, let's just scroll down and I'll show you, we're gonna change our shipping policy. So now that you're in the customization area, click on the shipping policy box. And on the right-hand side, you'll see where you can change whatever you want here. So instead of the 1 to 2 business days, we can just change it to 3 to 5 business days. So now that that's all set, just read through here everything else and you'll want to make any other changes here. So once you're done with any changes, just click save. So we have a full homepage with banners and branding. We have a welcome text written already here, a clean store layout, product pages already created with bundle deals implemented, product descriptions written, and images already added. And it even loaded in proven winning products automatically to your store using this tool, AutoDS, based on whatever niche you picked. When somebody places an order on this new online store of ours, the supplier will ship these products straight to the buyer at a way lower cost than what's listed here, and you will keep the profits. You don't have to hold any inventory or worry about any shipping yourself. As far as adding products to your stores, you can do one of two things. You can use platforms that are free like AliExpress or DHgate and find suppliers there, or you can use this all-in-one dropshipping platform like AutoDS. They have built-in product search features on their website here under Marketplace. There's 4 main product research sections that they have that I use for my own product research. They have the handpicks products, the ad spy, trending products, and TikTok analytics. The handpicks products tab is where you're going to find the highest performing products that have undergone a full analysis. So it's literally like having a little team picking for you every single day. And you can narrow down your search by country, price range, and category. You can also see they have this fast shipping button, which will show you the products with the fastest shipping times. And some of these have like fast shipping times, like literally 2 days. And they also update this every single day. So you're always going to find new products here. So you can see right here that this product has an insane profit margin. You can make like a lot per sale, and this product is going crazy right now. And you can see like all this data here. It gives us insight on how we can price the product, shows us what the profit of the product is, who the target audience is, and even shows competitors that are selling it right now in their stores. So you can obviously see that in seconds, we've already validated like, okay, this could be a really great product to put in our stores. So now let's go to Ad Spy, which is a tool that allows you to oversee active TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook ads, and just content that's performing well on the platforms based on likes, views, and engagements. So we're able to actually see how the product is being promoted and like what marketing strategy they're using to actually bring in the sales. If you guys click on the TikTok analytics tab, you can see all the products that are making the most money right now on TikTok Shop, for example. Even though we're not doing that in this kind of store, we can still look at the competition and see if it's working there, it's going to work in your store too. Sometimes they just have TikTok Shop and they don't have an actual store. So that's a perfect opportunity for you to just focus on selling it in your own branded store. If you want to try out AutoDS, I'll put the link for this down in my description box below and the top comment as well. And you can see just by using these simple AI tools, it just helps us move so much faster. Like literally, I really took months like building my store back in the day. So it's just so crazy how you're just able to do this so much faster and more efficient so you can actually focus on the more important things. Now I'm going to help you strategize your products. And this feeds into the marketing too, because I always say it's 25% the product, 75% how you market it. So say you have a posture corrector. You are not selling a posture corrector. You are selling confidence when people walk into a room. You're not just selling a portable blender. You're selling healthy meals and fast smoothies for people that are on the go working. A standing desk, for example, you're not selling a standing desk because it looks cool. You're selling that standing desk because it's going to help people with their back pain. You have to find people's pain points and problems that you're solving for them with the products. And that's how you're going to pick a winning product. And that's how you're going to come up with your marketing strategies as well. You guys can use AI to strategize this yourself. Like I use Claude, ChatGPT, this really can help you just like brainstorm things back and forth to come up with marketing strategies, to think of things. So I definitely recommend using that as well. Like, especially doing this the lazy way. We are trying to put as much work on AI and just technology and not on us. So definitely try this out, just like, going back and forth to completely strategize this. When it comes to marketing, I grew my online stores with 0 ad spend. I actually don't recommend buying ads for beginners, especially if you're just starting out, because I know a lot of people that have spent thousands of dollars on ads. You guys that have been successful after watching my YouTube channel, you were successful with the organic marketing techniques that I teach here on my YouTube channel, not buying ads. And even though you can see that some people, they do see success with that, for me, I just see buying ads as such a liability, especially as a beginner, because you have to actually spend a lot and it could be very risky. And at the end of the day, even when you're buying ads, you still have to have an ad creative, which means video. So you still have to kind of learn the skill of actually putting some kind of video format together. Or I have a lazy method I'll share with you in a second. So lazy way to market is we can generate UGC scripts using ChatGPT or Claude. Like I said, use it to brainstorm and use it to generate UGC ad scripts to get an ad creative fast. For example, this is an ad creative. I was spending too much money on smoothies every week. Then I got this portable blender. Now I make my own from anywhere and save a ton of money. Best purchase I've made in a long time. So that's like a simple ad creative. You can then take a script like that and put it in an AI software. There's so many nowadays that are UGC AI softwares. I personally have been using this one, Create UGC. And with Create UGC, you can generate multiple videos and use different avatars with different hooks and different variations. You can create 5 to 10 variations of that one ad and just get them posted on social media. Make pages. It takes like 5 minutes for each. Make a new TikTok, make an Instagram. I know like some people don't want to do this, but like guys, just make it. And then if you decide to even like switch up your store later or rebrand, guess what? You already have an account, digital asset ready to go, ready to use as you're growing it. So for me, it's just like a win-win. When you like have an account, you can always like use that account for other things. If you decide to switch it up later, that's a sellable asset as well. If you ever decide to sell your brand later. So just make pages, guys, separately for your business and then post these UGC ad creatives there. And if you guys don't already know, I have a full free course and YouTube playlist dedicated to growing your online businesses and getting sales. So I will link that free course for you guys down in my description box below. And the playlist is on my YouTube channel for all of those videos. So definitely go study those. It's a little bit too much to put in one single video. So I just made its own separate section for them. Now let's talk about automation. So we can automate all of this. This is why it's so awesome. And I've already kind of talked about it, how the supplier will ship the order straight to the buyer. But inside AutoDS, you can enable automatic order fulfillment. So when somebody places an order, AutoDS will automatically ship it to the buyer and communicate to the supplier on your behalf. They provide tracking updates, inventory syncing, customer notifications, and so much more with that. So that's like really like truly all in one app. And then of course too, if you were using AliExpress or DHgate or Alibaba, you would manually have to be automating that yourself, which I first did when I first started, but that's not the ideal way and that is not the lazy way. So just keeping it on theme for you guys here. And there's obviously a lot more questions you guys might have about dropshipping, like, you know, the legal side of dropshipping, email, like customer service, all that. Guess what, guys? I made full free courses of how to start dropshipping on my YouTube channel, and all of those questions are answered in those free courses. So I'll link those down in my description box below for you guys. But this is the lazy method, and I hope this gave you guys some inspiration to get your dropshipping stores started today. It's really never been easier. It's never been easier to start, but people just give up so much easier. Like when they get going, I don't know if you guys like sometimes lose motivation or you expect to see instant results, but I would say nothing in life that's ever worth it is easy. It's easy to start, but to actually be successful with this, you have to actually be enjoying it. You have to love it. You have to be doing it because you want to do it. So just keep that in mind, guys, on your journeys. And if you have any questions at all, comment down below. I do try to respond to all of my comments. You already know all I ask in exchange for the 100% free education is just smash that like button if you haven't already and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos for you guys just like this. And we're on the road to 2 million, guys. Help me get to 2 million subscribers. Let's go. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at BaddieandBiz, BaddieandBiz for more business inspiration and updates. Anyways, guys, wishing you all the best with your dropshipping journeys, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye, everyone.